Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to transform your car's glass surfaces and restore that crystal clear vision we all crave while driving. We found the 3D glass polish, and if you're interested, you can check out the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 3D glass polish? This innovative product is a cerium oxide based window polish designed specifically for automotive glass. It targets light and fine scratches, stubborn wiper marks, etched water spots, and swirl marks. This polish delivers professional-level clarity, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to restore their windshield and windows with ease. One of the standout features of the 3D glass polish is its precision glass polishing capability. It effectively tackles those pesky imperfections that can accumulate over time, ensuring your windows not only look great but also enhance your safety while driving. The formula works wonders on dull, foggy, or tarnished glass, reviving its optical clarity and enhancing overall visibility. This is particularly important for ensuring a safer driving experience, as clear windows can significantly improve your ability to see the road, especially in challenging weather conditions. Now, let's talk about who this product is suitable for. If you're a car enthusiast, a detailer, or simply someone who values a clean and professional appearance for your vehicle, then this polish is made for you. It's perfect for anyone who wants to take their car's glass surfaces to the next level without investing hours of time and effort. The 3D glass polish is also great for RV owners, truck drivers, or anyone who frequently uses their vehicle for travel and wants to maintain optimal visibility. When it comes to practical use cases, this polish excels in several scenarios. For instance, if you've recently experienced heavy rain and your windshield has developed water spots or wiper marks, this product can quickly and effectively restore clarity. It's also ideal for those who have older vehicles with glass that has seen better days. By using the 3D glass polish, you can remove fine scratches and swirls that tend to accumulate over time, giving your car a fresh and polished look. Another impressive aspect of this polish is its minimal effort for maximum results. Designed for gearheads who want results without heavy scrubbing, the polish applies smoothly and wipes off cleanly, leaving your glass looking spotless. This is particularly beneficial for anyone who may not have a lot of experience with polishing products. The ease of use means that almost anyone can achieve professional-level results without feeling overwhelmed. For those looking to take their detailing game a step further, the 3D glass polish is also a perfect prep step. If you're considering applying any ceramic or hydrophobic coating to your glass surfaces, this polish removes imperfections and leaves a smooth, clean surface that improves bonding. Not only does this enhance the appearance of your glass, but it also boosts the long-term durability and performance of any coatings you apply afterward. Lastly, the product is formulated for a long open time, which gives you extended workability and maximum efficiency. Using it with a rotary polisher and a felt pad allows for serious correction power while minimizing product waste and providing optimal surface control. In summary, the 3D glass polish is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to restore clarity and enhance the appearance of their automotive glass. With its precision formula, ease of use, and professional-level results, it's a product that can truly make a difference. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.